Today you're using the AVA snow foam cannon with the AVA Evolution 80. I've got an extension going through the power washer on the backyard. I've got a 20 metre extension on the power washer, 10 metre extension going from there to around here, because we're in a terraced house. It comes all the way through the house, through the letterbox, otherwise you can't get water onto a terraced street. So here we go, that's the way to do that. I always used to use a MJJC snow gun, so here's the first go with the AVA one with the built amber auto foam mixed at 4% PIR. So here we go. I think we can say that's pretty fantastic. I'll turn it down a bit and see what it goes like. So that we've got out number 6 instead of full on the MJJC, so it's going to use an awful lot less snow foam. So it's win-win. This AVA stuff is pretty damn good. The whole lot came with the power washer. It cost me 70 quid for the other one. So here we go. Let's have fun. Thank you. Please subscribe.